The Shape America website is a website where you can find all sorts of tools for your physical education classroom. Here in the Teacher's Toolbox on the Shape America website, you can find the hot topics in health and PE, articles in adaptive physical education, early childhood education, elementary PE, secondary PE, health education, coaching, PET, and research. When clicking in a topic, it brings you into more in-depth information on each. As you look through the topic, you will find more articles about things involved in each topic. You can scroll back up. On the right side, it gives you a quick menu to where you can find other topics we went over earlier. Let's go into secondary physical education, for example. So as you go down into the Teacher's Toolbox in the Secondary PE Resources topic, they have the Spotlight books, other resources you may need, whether this is with assessment curriculum, also on the Shape America website that you can find a topic or category with grants, awards, and accreditation. This is for students who may be looking for grants or scholarships to continue their education. If you are a teacher in either the elementary or secondary level, you will find professional development opportunities on this website as well. So whether you are a student or a physical educator, the Shape America website is a great tool for anyone to use, whether they are looking for more opportunities, more professional development, resources, or any other information regarding PE. Shape America is your home for that information.